We are going to convert this article to two column format. So first of all, we have to click on page layout. Now select this columns option and select two. You can see that the article has been converted to two columns. Now we want to convert this line, the heading, to one column. So select this heading and then click on columns and click on one. Now this is in one column. We have to adjust it. Now we want this first letter a little bit bigger, so here is an option, insert, and then drop caps. And now you can see that drop caps option has been applied. Now we want to adjust this space between the columns, so double click here, and now you can see that the columns are 2 and the width is 3 inches and the spacing is 0.5. We have to reduce it. 0.3 is okay. Now click OK. So the space has been adjusted. Now here you can see that this area is not adjusted. We want to balance this column because this is the end of the article. So click here and press enter. Now select this enter and go to page layout and select one column once again. So now you can see that these columns has been balanced. So by this way you can compose an article in 2 columns, even in 3 columns, what you want. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new tutorials.